Hey guys, welcome to Cool Breeze Outdoor Life. I'm Denny. I'm going to be over here at the pond today. I'm going to try to catch some large bass. I haven't been able to. About the biggest one I've ever caught is going to be about 3 pounds out of this pond. There are some large ones in here, probably well over 5 pounds or so. I wouldn't know if they got any bigger than that, but I know they're in here. It's just about trying to catch them. Let's get to it. Bet he got me again. Sure enough. All right, we got it back out there. Got another minnow on. Bobber's already moving. Got a lot of brim or bluegill. Some turtles probably still in it. I do have a little bit larger hook on. It's not really for the smaller fish, so they're probably picking it right off the hook. That's all right. At least we're getting some action. Might already be gone. It is. May have to move areas. All right, got another minnow on. I threw it about 5 foot past where I've been going. Seems like there's a school of smaller fish right where I was going. They were picking the bait right off, so I threw it out a little further, a little bit different location. Yeah, I enjoy catching the smaller fish as well. Bluegill, brim, catfish. All right, here we go. All right, we got another one out. It's already going down. I got one. Small fish. See what we got. Just what I thought. We got the old black gill, 8K bluegill. All right, there he is. Not a bad fish. Looks good. Get him back. All right, nothing wrong with that. Man, that no longer hit the water and it went under. There must be a giant school of them out there. I see some turtles out that way too. So let's get baited up. That was a good first catch, and let's move on. Got some bobber action going on. It's got to be smaller fish majority of the time. Got him. Got him. It's a good sized one. Well, about normal. About normal. Check him out. Looking good, huh? Look how dark they are. Look good though. Let's get them back. All right, I finally got him out. Hopefully he'll be okay. Didn't get all the way down in there, but got deep enough. So All right, bobber down. Well, it was. Here we go. Oh man. Go out. Still at 2 bluegill. Bobber's moving now. See what happens. Well, either they got the minnow or they let go, obviously. Man, I'm getting them every time now. All right, we got another minnow on there. Cast it out. Still at 2 bluegill. And it's been about an hour. Here we go, bobber down. Got him. Oh, that feels like a good one, guys. They all do though. This one might be a bass. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, here we go. Maybe changing up the depth helped after all. But there we are. Just a little guy. He's awesome though. Yes sir. Looking good. Heck yeah. Better than catching nothing at all, right? Let's get him back in there. All right. So we got 2 bluegill and 1 bass. Let's get baited up and get back out there. Bobber's going down, guys. All right, bobber down. Missed him. Well, you know the routine. Bait up, get them back out there. All right. There we go. Well, fresh minnow. My line's all tangled up. Okay, I think we're good. Oh, there it is. All right, bobber down. Missed him. It's got to be them little bluegill. They are pulling the bobber down fast, but all right, got a fresh minnow on. 80th cast. I'm just kidding. I don't know how many casts it's been. There we go. Little action. Bobber down. Oh man. Oh, I got him. See, that's what I mean. Oh, it's a little baby bass. Check that out, guys. That's a little one. I didn't even know I had him. Dang. Look at this dude. Isn't that crazy? It's pretty cool though. Pretty neat. Awesome little bass. Let him go. Till the next time. New minnow on the bobber. Like I was saying, these slip bobbers are just so smooth, so lightweight. I know it sounds crazy, but give it a shot. use bobbers every once in a while. Try it out. Got some movement. Another cast. Sun's starting to go down on me now. It's about 6 o'clock here in Florida. Are all the crows in the background. Not a bad day at all though. Just come out here for an hour or so. Had some other issues to deal with up at the house, and that kind of fell through, me ordering the wrong parts again, so I decided to come out here, bobber down. All right, got him guys, got him. There we go. Nice, not bad. A little bit bigger bass. Take it. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. This hook out of him. All that slime off of him. Here we go. Not bad. A little bit bigger than the other one. About the same size, give or take, from all three of them. Anyway, let's get him back. Let's get baited up. Get ready for another one. Well guys, I think I'm gonna wrap it up. It's starting to get dark here, and we'll call it a day till hopefully tomorrow. I'll get back out here or somewhere. Until then, hey guys, I'm gonna wrap it up for the day. It's getting dark. It's about 6:15 here in the great state of Florida. I came out for a couple hours, messed around with some live minnows. I caught what, 2 bluegill right off the bat. Well, within an hour of each. Then I caught about 3 small largemouth bass. So not a bad afternoon. Just sitting out here, taking it easy. It was a beautiful day to have a beautiful day. If you guys like the video, please hit the button, subscribe. Hopefully I'll be coming out with some good videos, and we'll see you next time. Thank you so much.